Maybe you feel like you've really been up against it. I mean, there's somebody special in your life that you'd like to attract, or you're going through a serious breakup or a financial crisis. Whatever it is, understand that the universe has your back. Here's how to ask the universe for what you want and how to get it. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high, like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. We believe that you deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness that you depend on. So sometimes in life, we're up against it. I mean, our backs are to the wall. We just don't know what to do. I want you to know that the universe has your back. And when you understand how to speak to the universe, how to communicate, it's not just through speaking, it's not just through prayer. When you learn how to vibrationally communicate with the universe, you can literally overcome any obstacle and you can attract exactly what you want. So the real challenge, high flyers, is that it's difficult to feel positive, to put out positive vibrations when we feel
over-challenged.
I remember many years in Portland, I was living close to on the streets, and I just felt overwhelmed. I didn't know how anything was going to change. I couldn't see a clear path. All I saw was myself maybe getting by or things getting worse. But you know, you don't need to see a clear path. The universe has infinite eyesight, and it can see a path for you where you have never seen the path before. So one night, sitting in my cheap hotel room in Portland, Oregon, lying on the bed, I made an agreement, not just with myself, but with the spark of God that lives within me. You see, I believe that God isn't just out there, God is in here. And through meditation and prayer, I went inside myself and I formed a partnership with that spiritual spark that lives within me. Now, I'm not going to tell you the next morning the oceans parted and everything was better. But all of a sudden, little things began to fall into place. And my life got better and better and better. And it's still getting better because I still hold true to that inner agreement that I made with the universe that lives within. The great poet Robert Browning said this: "Truth is within ourselves. It takes no rise from outer things. No matter what you see, there is an innermost center in all of us, where truth abides in fullness, to know rather than insist on opening up a way, whence the imprisoned splendor might escape. That is, affecting everything as a light that is supposed to be without." Truth. The truth of the matter is, the wealth you desire is within you. The love you crave is within you. The happiness and everything else, the health, all of it, everything is within you. And you've got to let that light out. You can't suffocate it. Let it out. Let it shine. But first, first make an agreement with yourself. What is the agreement? That you will always trust that inner light, that universe that is around us and within us, the Spirit of God that flows through us, that you will always trust it completely and totally. And you will always recognize that that power is within you. So, high flyers, there's a beautiful sentence in a book called A Course in Miracles. It goes like this: light cannot enter darkness when a mind believes in darkness. High flyers, the light that comes from the infinite and shines through you, it can't shine through you if you believe and accept and embrace the darkness, doubts, fears, hurts, jealousy, anxiety, all of these lower vibrational emotions, limiting beliefs. You see, when you say to yourself, I can't get out of this, Robert. I don't know what I'm going to do. That's embracing the darkness and pushing away the light. So, high flyers, I've heard some law of attraction teachers say, accept where you're at. Just accept it. Well, we're never in one place. Understand that. We are always moving. Nothing is ever the same. Tomorrow will not be the same as yesterday. It may seem the same, but there will be a change. And little by little, over the period of years, there are a lot of changes. You're in a new location, you've gotten older, you've acquired more or you've lost more, whatever the case may be. So this whole notion of accepting your situation doesn't make sense because your situation is fluid. It is not stagnant. You don't need to know where the river is flowing, as long as you know that your direction, where you choose to flow, is to the ocean. If your intention, if your will is to flow to the ocean, that's where the river will flow. Now, it may go to the left, it may go to the right, but it eventually will hit the ocean. Say this and mean it with all of your heart and soul. I create opportunities that empower my journey. High flyers, from the time you were this little until the day that you take your last breath, this is a journey, an exploration in self-growth, in self-development. And you are the one that creates your own opportunities to empower or disempower your life, your choice. Number 3, trust the universe completely. You see, once you understand that the master of the universe, the architect of the universe, is within you, once you understand that and that you can communicate with that force, that spirit, that the spirit outside of you isn't any stronger than the spirit inside of you. You can change anything in your life because you are a co-creator of your universe. It's absolutely amazing. Number 4, Neville Goddard says, pray as God. You see, if God is within you, if you have an agreement to act as one, Robert, acting with the infinite life force within me, acting as one, then I pray as God. I create guidance for myself. Say it right now. I create guidance for myself. I create love for my life. I create blessings for myself and for those I love. I create opportunities. Opportunities everywhere. How does that feel? I mean, seriously, doesn't that feel like you are really manifesting? Because you are. Let me give you a quote from the Invocation of Thoth. He is in me, and I am in him. The entire spirit of the universe is flowing through you, and you are flowing through the universe. And number 5, always live, speak, and act your truth. Open up that throat chakra. Live your life in congruence, in harmony, in alignment with your beliefs, desires, goals, and intentions. Speak your truth and act your truth. Inspired action. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.